Remember, guys, earlier that I'm talking to you about bird poop in the street like this. Now look at that birds up there. Oh my God, it's a lot. Yeah, look at that birds. Oh my God, it's a lot of birds. The last time we here, the last time we were here, it's the same thing. It's a lot of birds. Look at that. Wow. Saan sila matutulog? At kinaumagahan, ang dami nilang ano, dumi. Sa gilid ng kalsada, kahit sa gitna ng kalsada na ano, na kung saan nandun sila nakaano. Kung saan doon sila nakadapo. My God! How do you call that, honey?
Perched on the wire.
Parts on the wires? Yeah.
Great.
Yeah. The last time we were here, it's the same thing.
Yeah. Wonder why.
Nothing wrong with this because the last time we were here, it's the same. Yeah. There's something wrong with this. I don't think.
Weird.
Yeah, it's just weird because look at that. They are flying. Yeah, it's a lot. Oh, look at the tree. The tree. Look at that. It's a lot. That's a lot of birds. You got poop. You have to stay away from them because you get poop. Ooh. That's all birds.
A couple of foragers over here.
Oh, until here. Ah, okay. Wow, where is this came from?
What is up with all these birds? Oh, why?